Hello everyone and welcome. You guys know that I have a lot of Kimo tools, so today I'm expanding my Kimo tool collection by adding this 1/2 inch drive impact wrench. I've had very good luck with my Kimo tools so far, so this is a logical addition to my collection, and today we're going to see how this puppy performs. I got the 1/2 inch drive cordless impact wrench, but they do also sell a 3/8 inch drive impact wrench if you would like that instead. So let's unbox this puppy and see how it performs. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here's a shot of the box for you. Let's unbox this puppy and see what I got. And there you go. It comes in a nice soft case to keep it in. Let's open this up. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the Kimo 20V Cordless Brushless 1/2 inch drive impact wrench, available on Amazon and the Kimo website. I'll put links to both of them down below in the description. Now what do you get when you unbox this puppy? Now you get the owner's manual, instruction manual telling you how to put everything together, how to take care of it, warranty, all that kind of good stuff. I suggest you read through it. As far as the contents go, you get the impact wrench itself, you get a 1-hour rapid charger, you get a 2 amp hour battery, you get a big O-ring and the pin for securing things on the anvil, you get 3 extensions and a bunch of deep sockets right there. Now as far as the extensions go, you get a 3 inch, a 5 inch, and a 10 inch. As far as the sockets go, you get a 9mm, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and 21. And they're all deep sockets, and all of these are impact rated, so they come in really handy if you don't have any of these on hand. Now this entire kit retails for $99.99 at the making of this video, and there are discounts available so you can get it even cheaper than that. Now this unit comes with a 2-year warranty from Kimo. Any trouble whatsoever, contact Kimo, they'll take care of you. The unit itself is fairly lightweight and compact. It is only 8 inches in height by 6 inches in length and 2.5 inches in width. The unit itself only weighs 3.3 pounds with the battery, so that is fairly lightweight. Now this unit puts out 3,000 inch-pounds max or 250 foot-pounds. It has a maximum speed unloaded of 3,000 RPMs or 3,600 IPMs impacts per minute. It has a nice rubber overmold pretty much anywhere that you're going to be gripping it. Your nice trigger area right here on the back so you can push on it, on the front so you don't damage anything when you're working with it, etc. It has a nice little LED light right there. Let me show you how that works. You can see the LED right there, and that stays on for about 10-11 seconds after you let go of the trigger, as you saw right there. It does have a speed limiter right here at the bottom. You can see right there, you can select at the bottom right here, you have a nice button there, or you can select the different speeds that you want to use it at, and that way you can go higher, lower, etc., and set it up so that you don't go too crazy on the speed. It does also have a convenient brake setting on there when you're in reverse so that it'll turn for a few seconds and stop. That's convenient, like if you're taking lugs off your tire or something like that. When you're taking the lugs off, you won't spin them off like crazy and have them shooting across the room. It'll just spin them off enough so that you can take them off and be very handy with them. So let's see what this little guy can do. Let's put some tests to it and see how it performs. Alright guys, so let's put the Kimo to a little bit of testing and see how it performs. Now I got the battery all charged up, as you can see right here. It's all charged up and ready to go. Took a little while to do that, and it did charge up in about an hour. The Kimo rapid chargers are very good. They do charge up the batteries very quickly. So these little guys are good for a lot of things around the house, the shop, etc. Whatever you want to use it for, impact wrenches come in very handy, whether it's for construction or doing things with wood like we're going to do right now. Assembly, disassembly, automotive work, fasteners, all that kind of good stuff. So we're going to do some testing right now, like if we were doing some construction work and you got to put some fasteners together. We're going to put these nice big lugs into there, these lag bolts, put them into the block of wood and see how it performs. And then we're going to do some testing on my car and see how it takes off lugs for normal tire rotation that a DIYer like you guys and me would do on a regular basis. So let's see how it sinks these guys into this 4x4 right here without any pre-drilling or any of that. See if it can handle it. So let's get started. We're going to put some in through the top right here and some in through the side and see how it performs. Let's start off through the top right now, see what it can do. Wow, look at that. It sunk it all the way down. You can't even see that bolt in there anymore. I don't even know if I'll be able to take it out of there. So that did a really good job. Let's put one in through the side right here, see how that performs. And that's all the way in there already. So that did a really fantastic job. All right, guys, so we're back again. Now, what we're going to do is put it through testing with this monster lag that I have right here. This lag bolt is about 5.5 inches long, and it has a 3/4 inch head on it. So that's the socket I had to get for that. So can it sink this big 5.5 inch lag bolt into this block of wood right here? If it does, it'll go all the way through it, as you can see. So let's see how it performs. And I'm not pre-drilling it. It is going straight through the wood all on its own. So let's see what this baby can do. And there you go, guys. As you can see down here, it went all the way through. This guy, it buried it. It is piping hot down there. It buried it. It is totally all the way down. So this little Kimo has a lot of power to it where it can put a big 5.5 inch lug all the way through that wood without even pre-drilling. So that is pretty freaking awesome right there. Goes to show the Kimo little cordless 20V impact wrench is pretty good. So I put it in. Can it take it back out? Let's put it in reverse to see what it can do. I am not touching that. That thing is probably really hot right now. So there you go. Look at the size of that lag bolt. And this guy put it in and took it back out without any trouble whatsoever. All right, let's move on to something else. All right, guys, so let's see how this little Kimo performs as far as like tire rotations and normal things like that DIYers are going to do around their garage. But before we do that, I was going to show you the feature I mentioned earlier as far as the brake for taking the lugs off. You'll see right now it's in reverse. When you spin it backwards, even though I don't let go of the trigger, it will stop. That way, you can do it incrementally. Instead of just firing it off all the way, you do it incrementally and just back it off so it's convenient and you can just grab the lug instead of having it go fly across the room. So that's a convenient little feature right there. I'm going to turn that off right now because I'm just going to test to see the strength that it has, and I don't want any interruptions because I don't want you to think that the machine is failing. So I'm going to turn that feature off right now. As you can see right there, I turned that off, so that way it'll continue all the way and you don't think something went wrong. So here we go. I have my torque wrench right here and I have it set up to 100 foot-pounds. We're going to set it to 100 foot-pounds and then try to take it off. So let's see what it can do. There you go, 100 foot-pounds. Let's see how this baby performs. All right, here we go. There you go. Didn't even break a sweat. It's so easy to do. Let's try that again. In case you think it was a fluke, let's do it a second time. There you go. You heard it, 100 foot-pounds. Let's do it again. Here we go. Oh, I'm tightening it. Got to put it in reverse. There we go. There we go. Even though I tightened it too much, it still came off with no trouble. So there you go. There's the lug right there. Let's put it back on. And it tightens it up very nicely. So there you go. The Kimo did a fantastic job in taking off the lugs of your car, even after I over-tightened it. So it was over 100 foot-pounds. So there you go. All right, guys, there you have it. A review and demonstration of the Kimo 20V Cordless Brushless 1/2 inch drive impact wrench. I think this is a really great impact wrench for the money. For under $100, you get a powerful impact wrench, sockets, and extensions. Everything you need to start doing projects around the house, shop, garage, etc. Unlike Harbor Freight, that only gives you a tool-only impact wrench for a similar price, Kimo gives you a complete kit, including battery and charger and accessories. This brushless unit is compact and lightweight, but has a lot of power to get the job done. And remember, you can get this in either 1/2 inch or 3/8 inch drive, whichever you prefer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.